For chapter 1, the nature of geology, I want to go over a couple of the key goals for this chapter. So the first is just to introduce the relevance of geology to your lives. So why are you going to spend a whole semester learning about this stuff? This is so you can see how it actually does affect you and relate to your daily life. And then we will introduce Earth's main components and systems. And so this is thinking about what are the layers of the Earth? What are they made up of? How thick are they? How do they interact with one another? And then what are the actual spheres outside of Earth's surface? So like the atmosphere and hydrosphere and things like that. So we'll introduce those. We'll then begin to look at understanding how rocks form and how they can change from one rock type to another. And so this is known as the rock cycle. So we will introduce that concept and get you thinking about that. And then the last thing is that I'll introduce concept sketches. And so there we're talking about what a lot of your exams will be like, which is I'm not going to ask you, a multiple choice question and you answer A, B, C, or D. What I want you to do is be able to sketch for me a concept and write it all out and describe it. And so we'll spend time throughout the semester working on that so that it's, something you're comfortable doing. And so I'll introduce that later in this chapter. Okay, good luck.